to our first video in our series designed to help you procure services on GCCPlus. I'm Chris Freeman from Schools ICT, and today we'll be looking at the fundamentals of using GCCPlus. So let's get started by covering what is GCCPlus. GCCPlus is Gloucestershire County Council's traded services system where we sell contracts, services and training to schools and other education establishments. We have over 30 different teams offering services on our system, covering many of the facets of school management. The first thing you'll need to do is get access to these services by using your login details to enter gccplus.org. If you do not already have an existing account, click to sign up in the top right of the screen. This will take you to an account setup form. Be sure to use your work email address and explain the reason why you want access to the site. If you do already have an account, simply click Login. This will take you to the home page, where you will be able to see our latest stories, details on upcoming training, and tabs above the search bar that will help you navigate the system. The majority of GCCPlus features will be accessed through these tabs. Other videos in this series will cover this in more detail. However, as a brief rundown, GCCPlus has the following 5 areas. The store. The store is our latest addition to the GCCPlus system, where we have updated the way in which you'll be able to buy our services. From the store, you will be able to explore all of the different packages, contracts and services by using the search tools, featured packages and the Your Recommended Packages section. There are updates also coming to the annual ordering process, which is a more guided and an intelligent version of what you may have known as quick buy or buyback on the previous system. Services. The Services tab houses all of our services, which are categorised by sections so that you can browse through all of our different teams and see what they offer. Training. Training booking and management will still be maintained through the Training tab. The Training tab is where you can book new training courses. This can be done through a number of methods, including via the suggested and search functions, or by using the calendar if you already have a specific course in mind. You can also look at the bookings you currently have on the booking list. Communications. Via the Communications tab, you can both read some of our latest articles and also benefit from a direct line of contact to our teams that are featured on the GCCPlus system. Resources. Many of our services hold a great amount of information which is available to you in the resource section. From there, you will be able to see any resources you have followed. You can also access the rest of our guidance videos for using GCCPlus. So that covers the basic introduction to GCCPlus. A lot of what we've covered today will be explored in more detail in other videos, but I hope this has been a useful introduction. Many thanks for watching.